Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel. Hope you're having a great day. Just a very quick video to talk about not overstripping your skin, okay? Stripping your skin is something that many of us do because we feel like we need to have cleaner skin, especially if we feel like our pores are congested with blackheads or we're getting pimples or something like that. Stripping your skin is not going to help. Okay, there's a little bit of a myth there. So say, like when I was a teenager, I had a lot of pimples. So I used to strip my skin heaps. And basically what was happening is that I was stripping the oil out of my skin, which is the sebum, which is the skin's natural oil. When you strip it from your skin, the skin wants to replace it. So it's basically creating more. And then what you're getting is you're going to have overactive sebum or overactive oil glands going on your skin, and it's going to get caught up in bits of dirt and debris, and it actually making that problem worse. So I just wanted to quickly talk about not overstripping your skin. Pimples and blackheads is not caused by dirty skin, okay? So Homepeel, while I'm here, I might as well talk about our new packaging for the enzyme cleansing gel. The reason why we choose enzymes is because enzymes chomp away dead skin cells. They don't touch live skin cells. They eat away dead skin cells. So it's a gentle way to remove the dead skin cells without stripping your skin and creating that overactive sebaceous glands, the overactive oil coming through your skin and creating more potential problems. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.